You are almost done with the 12 Days of English challenge. I'm actually quite proud of you for getting this far. That tells me that you really are serious about improving your English. Today, I have another really great one. This is a quick phrase that you can use when you are making a request, but it needs to be softened a little. It needs to be a little more polite. The phrase, real quick. You can use this in a variety of contexts. You can use it in professional settings. You can use it with your friends or strangers. It's really quite versatile. You're just going to practice this sentence. You're going to take 15 seconds and say it as many times as you can and say it correctly. If you're struggling with pronunciation, you got to start again. Here's your sentence. Real quick. Can I ask you something? Real quick. Can I ask you something? Real quick. Can I ask you something? Do you see how versatile it is? And you can see it has different meanings for each one. If you want a bonus activity, because this is too easy, give 3 different contexts in which you would use those 3 different meanings for those 3 different sentences in the way that I just said them. If this small win felt amazing to you, imagine what your English would look like after 30 days of these small wins. I'll see you tomorrow.